how can um, practice this sort of a meditation, which is wisdom, understanding emptiness. How you can meditate emptiness and have wisdom, understanding emptiness. So this point is, remember, it's called selflessness. First thing is, you need to meditate, towards yourself and search yourself, and where is the self, where is the person. So then if you meditate this thing, if you search, after some times, you will be, understand self is lessness. And so then, you will not going to be just, and have a wisdom understanding emptiness or wisdom understanding selflessness right away. But you have to put a lot of effort every day, try to understand, try to meditate emptiness, and all nature of the on existence, how these things happened. And the main thing is, your own, five aggregates or five heaps, which is aggregates of the form, feeling, discrimination, compositional factor, consciousness. On this, you have to meditate on your five aggregates and search. After some times, you may feel some sort of really it is there's no such a thing as self. Then still, you have to be meditate strongly, continually. And after some times, you may have realization of emptiness. So then, you will going to have wisdom, understanding emptiness. So then now that means you already wake up. So no more ignorance. Ignorance is, remember, sleeping mind. We are sleeping, not knowing. Once you have wisdom, understanding emptiness, so then now you are wake up. That means now you are really seeing actual nature. What is it? So you are going to see that. So then now, many sufferings, many problems will be cut out. So that's why we need to focus. Otherwise, love and compassion, kindness, these are very, very good. But love and compassion will not gonna cut out ignorance. Only the wisdom, understanding selflessness or wisdom, understanding emptiness will be cut out ignorance. So because ignorance is not gonna listen just having love and compassion, because ignorance is a very, very strong sort of a negative emotion. So you cannot just cut out applying, love and compassion. But I am not saying love and compassion is not good. Love and compassion is great. But here I'm talking, ignorance. Ignorance point of view, you have to have very strong antidote, which is a wisdom, understanding, a meditation of the emptiness or a meditation of the selflessness. These two meditation will be cut out ignorance. There's other, there's no any other meditation you can cut out the ignorance. Okay, because wisdom, understanding, emptiness, and ignorance is totally opposite, like this. So almost like it is a crow and owl, or hot and cold. Wisdom, understanding, emptiness, and ignorance is like a crow and owl. That crow and owl cannot be one place. They fight all the time. They're opposite. So is hot and cold cannot be one place like this. Same is like a wisdom, understanding, emptiness, and ignorance, like total opposite. Only that wisdom will be going to cut out ignorance.